Nanomelon, Nanomelon. On my tummy, there's a tiny button. I don't know just how it came or who first put it on me, but I love my little funny, tiny tummy button. It makes me wiggle, wiggle, wiggle when you tickle, tickle, tickle. You're my goofy, wiggly, wiggly little belly button. On my tummy, there's a tiny button. Round and cute and right in place, my special little button. It's been there since I was small, a tiny happy dot, and I wouldn't trade it ever, Colette. I like it quite a lot. Transcription. Some are dimples, dimples, dimples. Some pop out so proudly. Every single belly button makes us laugh so loudly. Innie, outie, big or small, they're all super neat. Right there in the middle of my tummy, so sweet. On my tummy, there's my little button. It's my silly, giggly, happy belly button.